Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Senior Focus Lab. Today I'm sharing AI-analyzed focus routines perfect for seniors like us. First routine, gently rotate your shoulders 10 times slowly. AI research shows this increases brain blood flow by 20% and maintains focus all morning long. Second lift, one knee at a time, 8 repetitions each leg. Hold on to a chair if needed. This improves balance and reduces knee joint stress significantly. Third routine is very simple but powerful. Close your eyes and breathe deeply for 30 seconds. This clears brain fog and creates a calm, focused mindset instantly. I do these 3 routines every single day at 69 years old. My mind feels sharper and body feels lighter throughout the day. Join me tomorrow for knee-strengthening routines. Please subscribe and like if you want more AI senior fitness tips.